Hi, I'm Mike with Become a Better Guitar Player, and today I'm going to show you how to play I Love Rock and Roll by Joan Jett. Let's get started. And subscribe to my channel if you like this video. Thank you. Alright, so this song is going to start out on an E chord. So for that E chord, you're just going to bar on the second fret here, and you're only going to play those top three strings. You're going to mute it with your right hand, okay, when you pick it. So you're going to go. You're going to take your middle finger and you're going to hit this G note here on the E string on the third fret. Then you're going to move over to an A chord, which is just scooching this finger down one string and playing these three strings. Open A and your D and your G string. Then you're going to hit the B chord, and that's going to be a bar on the second fret, fourth fret on the D and the G. Then you're going to put your middle finger back on that G note. So you're going to go through that twice, and then you're going to hit this higher E chord here, which is 7th fret on the A string, 9th fret on the D and the G. And you play that little lick, and that is the 15th fret on the B string, and you bend it up, pull your third finger off, so you got the 12th fret going. And then on the G string, you're going to go on the 14th and the 12th. So it goes. And then it goes back to this. Then you're going to hit a B chord. So it goes low A, E, high E, B. Then it goes A, D, high E, A. I don't have a tremolo on this guitar, so that's how I do that. Then it hits a B chord again. Here's me. And that's about all that's to this. And it's in standard tuning. You can play along with the song, and it sounds pretty cool, and it's got lots of good distortion, and it's a good one to turn up really loud. So hopefully this helps you out. If you would, subscribe to my channel, and we'll keep bringing you more videos. And if you have any suggestions, leave them in the comments. Thank you.